Foshan Shuohao Furniture Company Limited was founded in 2014. Products are exported to Middle East, Southeast Asia, South America. The company's current brands, IKS, Hanleju, We Have Cooperation Factory, Foshan Nanhai Ziyu Furniture Factory, has 10,000 square meters with R&D, production and service, which specialized in board wood, plate painted series, solid wood series. It's for bedroom furniture such as children furniture suites, adult suites. Factories strictly implement the International Quality Standard Management System, comprehensive co-use of modern information such as ERP and scientific methods so as to continue to improve management. We're consistent with environmental protection and carry out extensive cooperation with the quality inspectors. Company looks research, development, and innovation as the driving force. We set up our own R&D team, always keeps it in mind being honest and being developing through benefiting our customers. The company's vision is to create a comfortable and warm home for all families in the world, while the company mission is to create greater profits for customers, to provide staff with better development level, to create greater value for the company. It is our common goal and conviction. View to make life better as its mission. Adhere to global excellent furniture brand for business objectives. Vow to environmental protection, professional, innovation, integrity, service as the core values. Our target is 300 million in 5 years and donate 1 primary school in 10 years.